Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Turkey. The link and coupon will be in the description and click link in the description voyafly.com. Open this page and click on this and write Turkey and click on this. Open new page and settings 4G 5G data high speed and keep your WhatsApp number and activation under 5 minutes. Alright, and select unlimited data or fixed data. I recommend unlimited data and choose a speed plan light, plus, premium. I recommend plus or premium. I select premium and select your days. I'm by 30 days and select amount eSIM, 1 eSIM, 3, 4 eSIM, alright, 1 eSIM and click on buy it now. Alright, open new page and click on this and write my discount code ROM tips. Click on apply and order discount ROM tips this dollar, this very good price, and press Google Pay and buy SIM and or write email, payment data, billing and click on pay now. And open new page and buy eSIM and send your email address, QR code eSIM and instruction activation. And eSIM is work. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.